And the Atal Lab with the guidance of Manohar.
The materials used are servo motor, keypad, jumper wires, Arduino Uno, and 9 volts battery.
We have placed all the components on the MDF board and the Arduino is connected to the micro servo motor and the 9-volt battery and the keypad.
Micro servo, and this is the latch, and this is MDF.
A device is connected to the Arduino and the coding is uploaded. The lock is connected to the micro servo motor which helps it to open and close.
Made an Arduino Uno project on password door lock. We have connected the Arduino to the keypad and the micro servo motor and the uploaded coding.
How many of you are in this group?
Ma'am, 5.
But all of you 5 have contributed it?
Yes,
ma'am.
And the micro servo motor is connected to the latch which helps it to open and close. And now we can demonstrate how it works. If we put the right password, it closes.
With this equipment, how many doors we can manage? Only for one door?
Only for one door.
So if there are 4 doors, then we have to make 4.
4 of these.
Okay. What is the cost that has been done on this?
Ma'am, all of these components are there in the Atal lab.
Okay, you have taken all the material from the school itself.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is your experience? How did you feel?
Ma'am, it was really exciting to do a
You
project.
have made something useful.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Keep it up and keep on doing like this. So it helps you to think how a problem can be solved. That is the purpose. For our daily life problems, how we can find solution. This is the aim of Atal Lab. All of we have thinking, scientific thinking, problem solving. So this is just very good. Nice. Keep it up. Again.
Thank you, ma'am.
You tell me your names one by one.
Ma'am, my name is Ashwika.
My name is Shivani.
My name is Shrika. My name is Rashi. My name is Anushka.
Best of luck for next project.
Thank you, ma'am.